We're coming to you live.
It's outside, and we're outside, and it's raining, as you can see. We're in Caroline's backyard, and the weather is wet.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It's very wet.
That is why we have these umbrellas.
Yeah.
That's her pool with a cover on it.
Let's walk over here.
This is grass.
If you didn't know.
That's why it's green.
Yeah.
Mostly.
Most of it is green.
These are flowers.
They're actually weeds.
But they're also flowers.
And they're weeds.
And flowers.
And weeds. Okay, we got a little wet spot in the camera. Okay, how better?
Anyway.
It's too muddy over there to walk. So, let's make our way over here.
You see, I am going to go over there and stand on the diving board.
Yes, she is.
Here I go.
Here Robin goes. Pond. Shed. And Robin is on in the rain. We'll be back to you soon.